Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by using a connected device and a reachable phone number. This speeds verification. Once at accounts, Google.com, choose Create Account and pick Personal or Work because that affects available tools. Next, type your legal name, a recoverable birth date, the username you want, and a strong password. Make sure to use 12+ characters or a passphrase so Google stores fewer risk signals. After you submit, expect a phone verification prompt as the immediate next step. Once done with the initial form, you receive a 6-digit SMS or voice call. Enter it promptly because codes expire quickly. After verification, add a recovery email to regain access if needed and complete any CAPTCHA checks. These prevent automated signups. Then review privacy and data sharing options. Make choices about ad personalization and sync. Finally, upload a profile photo and select device sync settings so your contacts, calendar, and drive behave consistently. To finish, enable 2-step verification for strong protection. Use an authenticator app or SMS and store backup codes offline. Once enabled, review connected apps and device activity to revoke unwanted access and limit permissions only to necessary apps. Make sure account sync and payment methods are set if you plan to use Google services. If something goes wrong, for example, you don't get an SMS, try the voice option, check your carrier and block lists, or use your recovery email to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.